Hi, my name's Mandy, and I'm currently a first-year vet tech student in term 1 of my studies. Well, before I started at Oulton, I was working at an animal shelter full-time, and one very small piece of that was working with a lot of the clinics in the city when animals needed medical care. And over time at those appointments, I got to see just how much that the techs got to do and how much they loved the work that they did. So it just kind of clicked that it was something that I wanted to do, and so I looked online, found Oulton's program, and here I am. I'm really enjoying it so far. I think one of the biggest things for me has been the staff here so far. You can tell that they love the work that they do as well, and they want all of us to be able to succeed in the work that we're doing. So they're always there to offer a helping hand, to answer any extra questions. It's also been really awesome having a classmate of everybody that has similar interests, because we're all here for the same reason, so it makes it a lot easier for us to be able to lean on one another for things as well, and that's been really awesome. So all of the staff here, they always offer up. One of the first things they did was tell us, like, you know, if you need help, like, ask a classmate, reach out to us. And they're always going out of their way to try and find, like, if a student's not getting something from one way they're teaching it, they're open to trying to figure out a different way to help us get that information. They really just want to see us succeed, which is great because, I mean, we're going to be working with live patients and people's pets, and so it's something that everybody should be in here for, that same passion. And so it's nice to have that support to look onto and that leadership to look up to as we grow and develop our own skills. Favorite parts so far has definitely been when we did the trips to paw, because we got to see the animals and learn, like, our animal handling basic techniques for restraint and things like for restraint for venipuncture and things like that. But I mean, the whole thing's been pretty awesome so far. The information that we learn has been really well laid out, and I'm super excited to get into some of the more in-depth, like the exotics class and some of learning about the radiographs and pharmacology and just everything else this program has to offer. Yes, I took my wildlife conservation degree, graduated in 2022 from UMB. And my ultimate goal that I'm hoping once I'm done at Oulton is to work in the rehabilitation of animals, particularly wildlife or exotics, but I think as long as I work in rehabilitation of some sort, I'm happy, and I think I'll love what I end up doing. I chose Oulton College's program, one, because it was pretty close to home. I'm originally from Miramichi, only just about an hour and a half away from here, so it's nice to still be able to go visit my family on the weekends or on breaks from school. I picked this program in particular over other programs online that I was reading about because I saw here that they did a lot of pairing with the animal rescues here, Paw and Karma, and as somebody that was working at an animal shelter, I thought that was a really cool thing that they did, so that's really what made my decision for Oulton versus anywhere else. For the people coming in February to coming into this program, I think the biggest thing would be, it's nerve-wracking coming into, it's a pretty big class when you start out, but the big thing to remember is everybody's here for the same reason. You have the same interest as most of your classmates, so it's really good to be able to lean on other people with interests so you can all work together to do good in your studies. As well, the staff, as I mentioned, is awesome. So if you come in and you do need extra help or you do need accommodations, reach out to the staff and they'll do their very best and figure out something that will work for you. Just make sure in the middle, take time for yourself as well, because it is a lot of studies and you want to make sure that you're coming at it with a refreshed, clear mind so that way you know you can do your best.